Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have chicken legs with a great sauce that you'll love. We're going to need a pot with a lid, medium to high heat. Let's add some olive oil. And now the chopped onions, and let's cook them for a couple of minutes. After cooking our onions for a couple of minutes, let's add a quarter of a glass of white wine and let the white wine cook for a minute or two to let the alcohol evaporate. Now, let's add the chopped garlic and give everything a little stir. Now, it's time to add the chicken legs. Place them on top of the onions and let them cook 5 minutes on each side. The first 5 minutes are up. It's time to flip them over and let them cook for another 5 minutes on the other side. As soon as we're done cooking them on both sides for 5 minutes, let's add the tomato sauce now, along with some water. Now let's add 2 nice big pinches of salt and 1 nice big pinch of pepper. A bay leaf, and 5 to 6 pieces of clove. When you're mixing everything around and you see that it might need a bit more water, don't be afraid, add some. Now, put a lid on it and let it cook for 20 minutes on each side, medium heat. After the first 10 minutes, we're going to take a look at it, just in case it might need some more water. It looks fine, so let's put the lid back on and carry on cooking for another 10 minutes. After cooking for 20 minutes on one side, it's time to flip them over and let them cook 20 minutes on the other side. Don't forget, after 10 minutes of cooking them, take a look just in case the sauce needs a bit more water. Mix everything up a bit, put the lid on it and let it cook. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take a look at it. The legs look great and the sauce nice and thick, the way it's supposed to be. Time to serve. And I believe that this dish goes great with rice. And, like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.